Manish. I will be covering the student one's aspect of the mobile UX coursework, which is iPhone portrait. We can start actually by registering a user because this is a user-centric application. So the user is given an option to upload an image and then fill all the fields that are required. Once the user accepts the terms and conditions for the register process and registers, the user is redirected to the login screen. If the user forgets the password, it can actually be reset. All the user has to do is visit this link and enter the email that was used to register the user. So the user is greeted with an alert saying that an email has been sent, and to check the email, as we can see here, a new password is sent to that specific email. The user can actually go back to login and paste the new password in and enter the email that was used to register and log into the application. This is the home page, and this is the first screen that the user is greeted with once the user is logged into the application. Since this is a user-based application to incentivize customers to make a purchase, the user is immediately given the option of visiting the product section to start shopping. In the home page, we have a slider of daily deals in which the user can actually swipe to get to the necessary products. And we have also a small text description, not too long, so that the user will be able to scan quickly and in a good big font. We also have a carousel of the most popular deals in our website, and we have utilized the 5 grid in the golden ratio to make sure that the user's eye goes directly to the product and to the offer that is displayed. In our homepage, we have also included a small look at the gamification element of the application as well, so that the user's curiosity is piqued. Also, talking about the bottom navigation that we have used, this is in compliance with the tab view of the mobile information architecture, so it's easier for the user to actually use this application. Because the bottom navigation bar is closer and within reach of the user's thumb zone. If we actually start shopping, we'll be redirected to our POIs list, which is actually a list of promotional products available on our website. So as we can see here, the sorting and filtering widget has been integrated, where we can sort products from A to Z, or that is alphabetically, or by price from high to low. And we can also filter a product with the rating, as we can see here, and also by a price. So once we actually visit a product, we can see that a POI or a product has an option for the user to favorite a product. So if we actually click the heart button or toggle it, we can actually add it to favorites. And also, user is given an option to comment about a product, in which a comment pop-up will be displayed. So if the user actually gives a comment like this and gives it a rating, the comment and the rating will be applied here. Also, the rating will contribute to the overall rating, which is available in the product page as well. The user is also given an option to add the product to the cart, and feedback will be given when the product is successfully added. So if the user actually visits the cart, the user is given the option to change the quantity of a product and also select the products and move to checkout. In the checkout page, the user is given the option to select between payment gateways and also to edit the shipping and delivery information. If the user decides to pay for the product, the user will be redirected to a Stripe payment gateway, where the user just has to include his name, the card number, and all other details. Once the user pays for the product, the user is redirected to an order summary page, which actually contains all the necessary information regarding the order. And also, as we can see here, an additional discount has been applied to the user's order as well. This contributes to the gamification element, which we will discuss now. As you can see here, the gamification element has been given a separate page on our navigation. So in this page, the user can actually see the instructions for how the gamification works, and also the user is shown statistics about the user's current purchases, and also any recent purchases will be displayed in this section here. The gamification element consists of a few products out of the POIs that are hidden, which contain additional discounts. So when the user actually purchases any of these products in a recent order, this progress bar will be updated based on how many products there are in the that specific order. So based on the number of products, the higher the number of products are, the better the clue that the user will receive. So this clue is actually a way for the user to visit a physical store and locate a particular product which contains a QR code that the user can scan to enter into a monthly raffle draw. So this raffle draw is an extension of our gamification element to further increase the user's curiosity. The user is also able to actually view the leaderboard in which it is ordered by the amount saved, which is a calculation done for the amount saved by the user by purchasing products with discounts. So if we actually scan the QR code, the user will be entered into the monthly raffle and will be redirected back to the statistics page. If the QR code is actually invalid, the user will be informed of this as well. So this is the account screen where the user can actually view personal details and also access personalized items such as the favorite screen. So the user can actually favorite and unfavorite elements from this screen, so as can be seen here. And if the user decides to share the favorites, user can select whichever favorites he likes to share and then proceed to the share favorite screen, in which the user can enter an email address and a small message and share. Once the user agrees to the confirmation, the user will be redirected back to the favorite screen and a success alert will be shown. As we can see here, the favorites list that was shared has opened up in the email. The user can also view the user's order history, which displays all the orders that the user has currently purchased up to this point. And also the user will be able to view more detailed information about the supermarket chain. This page contains a small text description and some statistics about the supermarket, and also the user will be able to locate where the separate branches of the actual supermarket, the physical stores, are located in by the use of this list. And the user can also pinch in and pinch out to access the map. If the user decides to search for a product, that option is available as well. The user can actually search for different products by name or by price and actually visit that specific product when the product is discovered. The user also has the ability to log out, in which case the account page will look different and the user cannot access personalized pages such as the gamification statistics page, where the user will be redirected back to login.
I'm Dilum De Silva and I'll be demonstrating the iPhone landscape view of the mobile user experience coursework. So this is our home page, and in the home page, in the top section, we have this search bar where a user can easily search for a product, and order it or buy it. And in the top section itself we have mentioned the start shopping, because to encourage user to do more shopping. And so once the particular user pressed on that start shopping icon, he'll be redirecting to the promos page. And in the home section we have the daily deals, where we show all the best daily deals that a particular user can purchase. And also we have carousel, where we show all the new deals and new sales, and about and the other promotion details. Also in the home page itself we have put the game related details to gamification related details. And once the user press on the start shopping button, so the user will be redirected to this particular promos page, where he or she can find all the promos based on our platform. And also in the top section itself, the user has a option to easily find the product by sorting or applying a filter. In the sorting section we have given this alphabetical sorting, also as well as the sorting based on the high price. And other than that, addition to that, a particular user can search or filter from min max prices as well as from the rating. So so in here a particular user can see the select the favorite, liked favorited products as well as non-favorite product. So user has the option to toggle and add it to his or her favorite section. So in the product section, in the products page, for a particular product, since it's the iPhone landscape view, we have put bigger photography and bigger pictures. And it's more convenient for user to identify what's the product and see through all the details that we have mentioned in the products page. And from here the user has the option to give a comment to the product, or else to rate using his experience. And once he submitted the comment, or the comment and the rating will be added to the comment section. Also if the user is going to purchase this item, he or she can add it to the cart and visit back to purchase more items. In the users page, user can clearly see the username and his member type. See here, this user is a gold member, so we have shown that as well. The particular user has 4 options to visit his favorite list and also order history, as well as the about page and logout option. So the first option is favorite list, where user can see all the favorite items that he has added to the favorite list. And he or she has the option to share the favorites. So once user select a product, and once user pressed on the share favorites button, he or she will be getting a user pop-up to confirm whether the user wants to share this product with the given email. So once the email is sent, you can see this was the email address that I shared the products with. So in this section, the other option in the user account, the other option is user has the option to check his orders that he previously purchased through our platform. So my previous purchase was purchased item is this particular product, and you can see the quantity is 3 and all the order you can see order history from this particular option. And the about page, we are displaying the our store related details, the number of stores we have and the number of countries, likewise the details about the platform and our business. And also there's this map where you can locate the shop using the map. And also you can the user has the find your local store option, where user can see the the stores that we currently running on our platform. And the final and the last option is user can log out from his account if he wish to log in with another account.
Hello, my name is Dhiren Lakshman and I'm student 4 and I'll be covering the iPad portrait version of the mobile UX coursework promotional website. So as you can see, this is the landing page that we'll be coming to. It has the short video that will be playing on auto loop, daily deals slider which you can use a swipe gesture to swipe through. You can also favorite and unfavorite items. You can also use a swipe gesture to swipe through the promotional information carousel, and also there is a banner regarding the gamification section of the promotions, which we'll get to later. So once you go to the promos page, you can see all the promos are there, products which are the promos which have a certain discount values on them. There is also a sort functionality where you can sort the results according to various limits. You can also give price ranges and rating level filters, so only products under 500 will be selected according to that, and also rating level filters, so only products of that rating will be loaded. There is also a search functionality, so according to what product you search, you will be getting the results, and each of these cards, promo cards and search related cards, are pointed to the product page of the particular website of the particular product. You can unfavorite and favorite them, so we will go to the favorites list later on. You can also add comments to a product, and this will be automatically updated on the UI. You also need to set a rating value for the product. If you do not set a rating value for the product, you will be given an error message. Once you submit it, the comment will be shown in the UI. You also can add this product to your cart. Once you add the product to your cart, you will be given a pop-up that it's successfully added to your cart. When you go to the game related page of the promotions, you can see the products that you have added to your cart today, and the gamification, how many products have been identified as the hidden combo products out of the products that you have added to your cart. So in this case, one product is added, and also a leaderboard where your user information will get highlighted, so you can find out which position you are on the leaderboard. You can also read the instructions for the game, which is a pop-up, and also you can so if you are given a clue, you can scan a QR code, and using that you will be added to a raffle draw to win products. So if you scan the QR code now, so you have been entered into the raffle draw. If you do scan something that is not a valid QR, you will be given an error message, which I will show you now. So you will be given an error message. So also when you go to the account page, you get a favorites list, so all the products that you have added to your favorites list. You can also deselect these products and they will be removed from the favorites list. You can select all these products and also share it using an email. This email, once you send it and confirm and send it, will get sent to your actual email, and this is the favorites list that I shared using the application. So once you have shared the favorites list, it will give you a success message. You can also check the order history, so the previous orders that you have made, and also there is an about screen with information about the store, and also you have a pinching gesture which we have used. You can use that on the map, the Google Map integration, and you can find pins of the locations of the stores by clicking on the store list in this list. This is all dynamically generated and loaded.
Hi, I'm Suleka. I'm doing the iPad landscape as student 3. This is our accounts page. We will first start by registering. The register page is different from all the other pages because in the iPad landscape we have more space to utilize. So we can fill these form elements to register. And then you can tick that the terms will be accepted, and then click the register button to register. And then the login screen is also different from the iPhone because we have more space to utilize. We have put an image. If you can't remember the password, you can also reset the password by clicking this link. In the reset password page, we have also used pictures to better utilize the space. We can enter an email address to get a password as an email. You can click the reset button and a success message will be shown and the email has come. You can copy this password and then go to the login screen and use it to log in. You can click the login button to log in. This is our home page. In this home page we have a product slider with the daily deals which you can swipe. We also have a carousel which shows promotions, and we also have a game banner to introduce the game to the user. This is the promos page. We have shown 4 products in a row in the iPad landscape version. You can sort and filter. You can sort according to the alphabetical order as well as the price. You can also filter according to price and rating. You can see that no products were found. When you click on a product, you will taken to that products page. The products page is also different from the iPhone landscape and portrait. We have utilized all the white spaces in the iPad landscape version. You can put a comment and also rate and submit. The rating will be shown here as an overall rating, and the comment will be added here. And you can also add to cart and a successful message will be shown. This is our game page. Using this link we can view all the instructions. Here we can see all the statistics, and here is the purchases that the person has made today. And in this progress bar we can see the amount of products that are actually in the game that the person has bought. And this is the leaderboard, and the current user will be shown in bold. Using this link you can scan a QR. When you scan it, a successful message will be shown. When the QR is not scanned successfully, an unsuccessful message will be shown. This is our accounts page. We can go to the favorites list to see all the favorited items, and then you can select the favorite items and send it to a friend and share it. You can see a message that the items were sent. Here you can see the email with all the favorited items that were sent. This is the order history page where you can see all the products that the person has bought before. And this is the about page which shows all the information about the stores. You can zoom in and zoom out using pinch gestures, and you can also visualize the places with pins. You can use this back button to go back. This is the logout button, and if you log out, the screen will be shown like this, and none of the favorites list or the order history will be accessible.